In this GlowShift Gauge's installation video, we'll show you how to install a GlowShift In Dash Speedometer. For the purpose of this video, we will install a black Classic Series 140 mph speedometer into a 1977 Chevrolet C10. When you're ready, grab your tools and we'll meet you in the garage. Before beginning work on the vehicle, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Remove any panels necessary to install your gauge. Install your GlowShift speedometer and make sure that dip switch 2 is in the upper position for standard mode. Plug the connector into the gauge and route the green signal wire through the dash. Pull the green signal wire through the dash and splice to your vehicle speed sensor wire. To be able to test for power, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Using a test light, locate a constant 12-volt source, an ignition switched 12-volt source, and a headlamp switched 12-volt source. Connect the appropriate gauge wires to the corresponding sources as per the instructions for your specific gauge. Please note, Classic Series gauges do not require a constant 12-volt source. Connect the black wire of the gauge harness to a reliable grounding source. Once all wiring has been secured, the gauge must then be calibrated. To calibrate the speed, adjust the dial switch on the back of the gauge to an appropriate range. Rotating the switch from 0 to 9 to 8 and so on narrows the speed range. Rotating the switch from 1 to 2 to 3 and so on widens the speed range. Carefully drive the vehicle while monitoring your speed with a GPS app or another reliable reference. Adjust the dial until the speedometer reading is close to the reference speed. Then fine-tune the calibration using the supplied adjustment tool. After successfully calibrating your gauge, reinstall any panels that were removed for installation. You've now successfully installed your GlowShift In Dash Speedometer. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please contact us at 1-888-GS-GAUGE, and we'll see you on the road.